tired of constantly logging in and out of different accounts on the same website? Do you often find yourself wishing for a simpler way to manage multiple accounts at once? If so, then look no further than Goloing, the ultimate multi-account creating website that allows you to streamline your online experience. Goloing is a revolutionary platform that allows users to create and manage multiple accounts on various websites with ease. Whether you have multiple social media accounts, email addresses, or other online profiles, Goloing has got you covered. With just a few clicks, you can easily create and access all of your accounts in one convenient location. But that's not all. Goloing also offers a unique video creation feature that allows users to promote their content in a more engaging way. By utilizing Goloing's video creation tools, you can effectively showcase your brand, products, or services to a wider audience. With the ability to add visual elements and customize your videos, Goloing makes it easier than ever to create impactful and memorable content. In addition to its multi-account creating capabilities and video promotion features, Goloing also boasts the title of the best browser for multi-accounting. This means that Goloing is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing browsing experience, allowing you to effortlessly switch between accounts without any hassle. So, if you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, it's time to give Goloing a try. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of managing multiple accounts and say hello to a more efficient and effective online experience with Goloing. Try it today and see the difference for yourself.